What up? Wil Vitela, home tech expert, back in Yorba Linda, California, installing this massive Samsung 85-inch 4K The Frame TV with a Sonos ARC Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker and a Sonos premium subwoofer inside of this formal living room. Now, because it's right there, right by the front door, right where you enter in, they didn't want that TV look inside of this living room, but yet they wanted to be able to enjoy the space. Now, installing the Samsung The Frame TV, it's not like a normal TV because the Samsung TV comes with what's called a One Connect box, which is this really long, kind of big black box where all the connections and the power comes from for the television set, and it has to go somewhere. And so I installed a custom recessed media box inside of the wall, did some in-wall wiring, and of course, after making all those holes, drilling, and getting that wiring done, I have to make it look pretty. I have to make it look like I was not there. But that's okay for Home Tech Expert. So what I did is I did the drywall repair work, the sanding, the texturing, and then also the touch-up painting. And here you can see what the recessed box looks like with the nice cover right over it. So it looks beautiful and professional. So we installed the Samsung 85-inch The Frame 4K TV along with the Sonos ARC Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker. The soundbar speaker has 11 speakers inside of it, including 2 that fire up into the ceiling. One thing that I want you to notice is take a look at the edge, take a look at the border of the Samsung The Frame TV. It has a different color. They come in different border bevel kits in order so you can match the room's decor. This is exactly the type of work that I like to do. Professional, clean, and simple. With whatever your smart home technology is, I want you to go to hometechexpert.com if you want to get something done like this and schedule a free estimate to have us come out and do this for you.